Hello, welcome back. In the last video, we built three AI agents that is professional, humorous, and concise using Grok. They generated three different emails instantly. But now we have a problem. We have three drafts, but we only want to send the best one. So today we are going to add a manager agent to pick the winner, and they will build a tool so our agent can actually send that email. So first of all, we are going to add our code so that it can create our decision maker, and we will call this as sales underscore picker. So let's start that. Here it is, and I'm gonna run this. Yes. So look at this instruction here. This is crucial. We are telling this agent to act like a customer. We don't want it to explain why it likes an email. We just want it to output the email text itself. We are using the Llama 3.3 model via Grok again because it's excellent at reasoning tasks like this. Now let's wire it all together. So for that, we will first of all use Asyncio.gather to run out three sales agents in parallel, and this gets our three drafts. And then next, we will join those three drafts into a single string called emails, and finally, we will pass that long string to our sales underscore picker. And here it runs successfully, and you can see the output here. So the sales picker reads all three and decides which one is the most persuasive and prints only the best version. This mimics a real world workflow where a manager approves copy before goes out. Okay, so we have our best email. Now, how do we send it? In the original course, they use a service called SendGrid. Since we are on focusing on the logic today, I'm going to show you how to write the function that simulates sending the email. So for that, we will going to define a function called send email in a production app. So you would put your API keys here. And for our demonstration, we will simply print the status to the terminal so we can verify the agent called the tool correctly. And here called is our agent name. So let's do that. So here is the code, and we defined send underscore email, which takes the email body as an input. Inside we simulate the SendGrid client, and when we run this, instead of needing a credit card for an API provider, we get a confirmation in our console that the function was executed. So this concept is called tool use or function calling. We are giving our AI the ability to interact with the outside world, whether it's sending an email, posting a tweet, or updating a database. So here this was the output. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, we built a fully function agentic workflow. So let's quickly recap what we have achieved. So we created, first of all, three distinct AI personalities: first professional, humorous, and then concise. Then we used Python's Asyncio and Grok to run them all in parallel, generating ideas instantly. We built a manager agent that automatically review the drafts and pick the best one. And finally, we implemented a tool that simulates sending the winning email via SendGrid. So this is the power of AI engineering. And if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe the channel of S3 Cloud Hub. I'm planning to build even more complex agents in the next video, maybe connecting this to a real database or a CRM. So let me know in the comments what kind of agent you want to build next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.